In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the SR64 mini grinder from the cup dispensing going to the fork dispensing for espresso. First thing there is to notice is that this grinder has 3 screws, a Phillips screw right there. Then there is just underneath it a Allen key screw 4mm located just underneath the cup holder. And then we have another 4mm screw just underneath that will actually holds the forks. Now you would start removing the top screw, the Phillips screw on the top collar. And then there's the secondary screw that also holds the collar for the cup dispensing. And you also need an Allen key right here to remove that. These screw holes are going to be covered by the same screws once we put the components, the fork and the portafilter holder. Now we're removing the screw for the forks. Once the 2 screws on the top are being removed, you can actually remove the cup holder. Now we're going to assemble the portafilter holder. That's so that you can lock in your portafilter in place as it's grinding. Good to make sure that is nice and tight in there. Now we're going to place the forks to hold the portafilter underneath it. The forks are adjustable depending upon what kind of portafilter you have. Some brands' portafilter is a lot thicker than others, so there you can have an adjustment. Now we're going to show you, once that is in, how to adjust the fork so that your portafilter can be held into place. As you can see, the distance is too high, so you need to loosen the screw a little bit, place the portafilter underneath it, lift it so that it leaves a bit of a tilt, and then you can tighten the screw again. As I can see, now the portafilter is held in place. Make sure the screw is nice and tight so that in the long run, it doesn't come loose and the forks falls down.